What we have here is a Craftsman 10-inch radial arm saw that we've converted into something a little unusual. First, it's a sliding sled saw. Notice how it slides, and the groove is perfectly accurate from the saw blade. Looking from the other side. Now, look what happens when we pull the slide table off. Here we've got a delta table saw beneath. Voila, we've got a ripped saw table. Call it an upside down rip saw or table saw. And notice we cut a groove into the table to allow the blade to go just below the surface. An advantage of having an upside down table saw is that we can bevel in both directions.